Maybe about 5 photos even, not even too many, and it came out so well. The property went way over list price, sold within 10 days.
Been great. Styldod's been great. I used it several times last year. Apps like Styldod that I can send you pictures. You can erase everything there and then put in furniture and remake the room at a fraction of the cost. That helps people imagine what the potential of that room looks like. So services like that are so important. It really just showcased the room, and it showed what the potential of that room could be. And so that was very helpful for buyers, for sure.
I've loved using Styldod so far. I've used it numerous times, and the product always comes out very good. It brightens up the whole picture. It gives the client, they can see now how all their furniture fits. Okay, I can fit my kitchen table, I can fit my desk, because now they're working from home, they want to see if they can fit the desk. They can see what kind of couch can fit. It adds so much to the marketing. It's just amazing.
Let me tell you a story. My client came to me and they said, Drew, we want to sell, but we don't have the budget to do any renovations. I said, okay, that's okay. Let me see the house. Took a look at the house and it needed a full gut job. But I reached out to Styldod and I said, let's put together digital renderings of what this home could look like. And that's exactly what we did. So now we took down walls where they made the kitchen bright, open, and airy with quartz countertops and a waterfall island edge. So when people came in the house, I printed these out huge for everyone to see so that they could see what we were doing. And it was so great. People came in and they said, wow, I can see your vision, Drew. This is fantastic. Listed the house only for $350. Within 2 days, the house sold for $415.
I remember it looked like magic to me to have an empty room and then have a service like yours furnish the room to my spec and then create an emotion from that staging. You guys helped me stage it so that it would appeal to that person. And then what if I want to try a different look or market on another platform to another type of buyer? You guys can take the same room and restage it for that buyer. And it has a completely different emotional projection. And I love that. And I love how we work in tandem to create direction. So you have these great templates and I can easily say, do this, add this picture, do that, the other thing. So I'm getting my, I love it. I'm a designer at heart anyway. I get to design. You guys do all the hard work and make it beautiful.
You guys have been the only people I've used for my virtual staging. I used you a couple times before the pandemic, then things had slowed down. Both times they were homes that did not have virtual staging at the beginning, and they just didn't seem to move on the market. When you can show somebody how a house looks with furniture, which you guys did, it's amazing. It makes a total difference. And both times within a week, those houses had accepted offers on them.
Seeing a few examples of what you guys had done. I won't lie, we were using another vendor prior, and your pricing was as good. In fact, it was better. And the quality of primarily it was the virtual staging that got us in there, but the quality of the virtual staging was slightly better. So for slightly less, we were getting slightly better. It was kind of a no-brainer to give you guys a shot. And we've been quite happy throughout the whole process working with you guys. And we plan on continuing that. So using you guys has been pretty instrumental in those 4 awards that we won. Taking that baseline and working off of it from there, and then using that to actually catapult some of our other stuff. I mean, we're proudly pronouncing that everywhere, and we're using it not about us or the awards that we've won, but rather your listing deserves great marketing. Your listing deserves award-winning marketing. we happen to have award-winning marketing that we can use to showcase your beautiful property.
They helped me stage the property, maybe about 5 photos even, not even too many, and it came out so well. The property went way over list price, sold within 10 days, and I just think that if you were looking for people to virtually stage your properties, Styldod is a great company to use. They were very communicative. They gave me my product very, very quickly, and they did a really great job. I had no revision requests whatsoever.
Great, you guys are great, very responsive. I think the time difference is really fun too, because like when I send it to you, it's almost like you guys are getting it in the morning, you work on it all day, and when you send it back to me, you send it back to me, and when I wake up, it's done, you know? So many times it's done within the first day or two. Very easy to work with.
It was affordable, it was super fast, and yeah, I think it was pretty easy to go back and forth and say, you know, oh, we like this, but not that, or can we change that? And yeah, I found it to be a really great process.